All right, you guys, here's your pre-lesson. We are up to page 28, section 1.5, and the title's called Inverses. And I'm going to show you generally what that means so we can go into the actual packet lesson with a little deeper understanding. So this is the pre-lesson for section 1.5, Pre-Calc B. All right, so again, the title is Inverses. So first of all, let's take a really simple y equals mx plus b. Got our slope-intercept form, real simple. We're going to graph this. So I've already got ahead of it a little bit. There's my y-intercept. Sorry if you guys can't see that, but there's my x. There's my y-axis. And then I go up 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1, connect the dots. Now, watch this. What happens if I take my x and my y and I switch them? And I'm going to get x equals, watch this, 3y plus 1. And now I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to subtract 1, subtract 1. I'm going to flip it around. 3y equals x minus 1. And now I'm going to multiply by 1/3. Yeah, I could divide by 3, but I want my slope to be a fraction. So I'm going to multiply by 1/3. So bing, bing, bing. So y equals 1/3 x minus 1/3. Now I want you to look very carefully at something. I'm going to get a different colored marker in just a second. Okay, so I'm back. So what I want to do is I want to draw this with my red marker so it stands out from this purple one here. So my y-intercept would be down 1/3. Now I'm going to be semi-perfectionistic about this. So there's my negative 1/3. From there, I need to go up 1, right 3. So 1, and then up 1, right 3. And I want you guys to notice something. Boy, I hope I've done a halfway decent job. All right, now, my drawing is not perfect, but you will get the idea. I want you to remember y equals x. Okay, if I was to draw this and we were to look at it, I'd say -3, -3, -2, -2, -1, -1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. Essentially, it's a line that goes right through like this. And I want you to notice something. This is y equals x, okay? This purple one is right here. This red one is right here, but notice what I did. I took those variables, I switched them, and then I solved for y. This is considered the inverse function of this. I also want you to notice the graph. If I was to take this, and I don't know if you've ever had shish kebab, but you put a bunch of meat or shrimp or whatever on it, put it on the grill for 5 minutes, and then you turn it over, 180 degrees. That's what we're doing. So literally, the graph of our original function right here and its inverse, if I was to take this and think of it as a shish kebab and I was going to turn it over on the grill, this would actually land right here, and this portion right here would land on top of that. So they are really mirror images that go over the y equals x graph. And that's an always, okay? So keep that in mind. Inverse functions. That's kind of it in a nutshell, okay?